This is another public service announcement brought to you by Lorenz Dean. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's no reason to show the face behind the voice, because you're looking at him. Look at the intensity. Look at the hard work. Look at the dedication. Look at the arms. Look at the chest. Look at that. Look at the bulging muscles. You know, Alex Reyes, let me tell you something. You better get used to his face, because this is the same man that you're going to be meeting July 9th. You know, you think you're some type of big shot because, you know, you're being trained, or you're trained by Amazing Red. And you think that's supposed to scare me, you little goofball. Psst. You're just a little midget running in a big man's world, just like your teacher. And speaking of your teacher, well, let's see. Looky. Let's work our way down and see who the great Lorenz Dean have in the submission hole, making him tap out. Oh, what? Wait a minute. That's Amazing Red. Isn't that your teacher? And who's putting him in that horrible submission hold, making him, look at him. He has half his fist in his mouth right now, in pain. Look at it. Let's get a zoom in on that. Look at the pain on this face. Brought to you by who? Lorenz Dean. Alex Reyes, you don't have a hope in hell against me. I've said it to your teacher, and I'm going to say it to you. I'm not playing with a full deck. And the only difference between this picture right here and the picture I'm going to put up after our match is you're going to be taking his place, teacher. Oh man, this is a shot for the ages. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.